Welcome back, everybody. I had another idea, so before I did the G machine and the House of Pain, I thought I would build a Rube Goldberg machine. If you don't know what a Rube Goldberg machine is, here, I asked Google.
Rube Goldberg machine. According to Wikipedia, a Rube Goldberg machine, named after American cartoonist Rube Goldberg, is a machine intentionally designed to perform a simple task in an indirect and overly complicated way.
And as always, I have no idea what I'm gonna build, so I'm gonna make a start and I'll show you when I get there. So the first bit of my pointless machine is gonna be this. You plop your tire up there, you take your lift out, and that's the machine ready. You're gonna come over, push the button, watch the little blue line, it'll flip up, pushed out, and this all turns off. Now I need to tie in. I want to put some, like, some noise and stuff a bit of a siren and stuff while all that's happening, so it's not quite so boring. And then we're going to move on to, I don't know, maybe I'm going to push it up now. At this point, I've discovered the purpose of this machine is going to be to dispose of all these old pesky wheels that just seem to be lying around everywhere. And at the minute, as you know what happens there, you haven't seen it yet, that's okay, I'm keeping it for the end, and then it lands on this and gets thrown up onto something, and it's that something now that I'm building. I don't know where that something is going to go or what it's going to do. Let's find out. Need to connect up the timers now for all the rollers and program them in. The on, that was the on. Timer into you 30 seconds, I think. We'll try that. You to all of these. Right, so when it finally gets down here, we're going to push it across. Now I need to come up with some sort of mechanism to push it down this way, where I then need to think about how I'm going to destroy it. I do have an idea, obviously. The metal may be a giveaway. Time for test run number 5000. I probably should have tested this before I got this far, but I'm disappointed now because I wanted to finish with a bang. But unfortunately, you can't dispense explosives. So, yeah, that changes that. I'm gonna have to come up with a manual way of us putting down the explosives and loading it separately. I've made a little hatch here, so you drop your lift down, you plop your explosive, and you remove your lift. It will do all the rest for you. It does normally take 2 attempts because it likes to roll over like that. It's okay. We got ya. And then comes the grand finale. But I'm gonna keep that for later until we get there. This is DangerBot. He thought it was lucrative. He's the only one who's not actually employed by the park. He's just come in freelance because he thought there was money to be made selling tires and explosives to the willing. We shall see. Now it's time to paint everything. Then, the final show. It's finally finished. We have got ourselves an old tire here. We bought one off DangerBot. And we are gonna go over or around or whatever, all the green obstacles, and end up destroying it through our manual explosive dispensary system here. Let's stick the tire in. Whoa. Now, before I push the go button, I just want to say I may cut here because occasionally it does fail here, so sometimes I have to reset it. Alright, enough talking, let's push the button. Follow the little line. Our tire flips up. Just pushed along. Should it go up and get tipped over? Down it comes, and over it goes. Along it comes. Oh, that was nice and quick. Normally it trundles around, down onto the floor, and it gets sent all the way down the back. The reason that plunges twice is sometimes it sits on the wall, so that's just to make sure it's pushed down. Excellent. Now the only thing that's left is to put the explosive in. Don't worry, it'll get it. Here we go. And what we've all been waiting for. To get rid of the wheel. Yay! We can finally get rid of all those pesky wheels. I hope you like my Goldberg machine. Thanks for watching, guys.